Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, the Noob Parents, and it's time again for our unboxing of our building block series.
Yeah.
Right?
We
So what I have here is a little box of, what do you know?
Papa Fred's
The original Lego building blocks.
Yeah,
And this edition is a small box from Star Wars. Right? Do you like Star Wars? Do you love Star Wars?
Yeah, I just played that Star Wars again.
You were playing a game?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Star Wars.
What's the title of the game you're playing?
Oh, you can play Battleship in Ray with the Stormtrooper.
Is it Lego Star Wars?
Yeah, it's called Star Wars.
Right. Okay, so you are playing a Lego Star Wars game, huh?
Yeah, over there with your computer.
Alright, so it's a great timing because our Lego for today is Star Wars, and this is I think the legit one, the original Lego
I made this
Lego
on
toy.
my own.
Alright, so before we open before we open the box, I wanted to show you some of Aiden's
Ships.
creation.
I got this
You can
one.
say. I think this is like the what?
TIE fighter.
The TIE fighter from the Star Wars.
I
Yes.
made this speeder.
And he made a speeder.
I made this ship.
Alright, so let's have a look at this. So it's a two man.
Yeah,
It can carry two guys. Like a speeder,
only
huh?
one guy's
Alright, so this I think he built it
Look at this guy.
you built it from where? Did you copy it from something? No?
I made this ship.
I think this is his own creation. He built it from scratch.
I made this ship
So-
from a mirror. Look at the
quite
bottom.
nice.
Look at the bottom.
So
Daddy, look at the bottom.
what? Oh, there's and he built like a smaller station. It has some stand at the bottom. Okay, so these pieces are from here.
And it have a gun.
These pieces are from
And it
his.
have a gun.
Yes, I see it. Let me speak. This is from his old Lego toys or building blocks, because those are not original. Those are like the cheap
And
ones.
I made this.
Yeah, those.
I don't
But this
know.
one came from from his Ninong Sheila. And
Yeah. I
it's
mean,
original.
mostly all of his Legos or building blocks
I don't
was
know
given to him.
what it is.
What's that?
I don't know.
It's a bag.
No.
It's a bag.
No, it's a radio.
Mhm.
It's a radio.
Okay. Anyway, so what I was trying to say is that, yeah, I mean, don't the box comes with a manual, and you will try to build the ones what's on the picture, but sometimes when after you built it, it's not gonna last long. Some pieces are gonna go missing, and he will take it apart eventually. So what's good is that after that happens, he can. This is where the real creativity comes in, because he can make, children can make their own objects from the building blocks. So he got his inspiration from Star Wars, and he already built himself a TIE fighter and some kind of speeder. So if you look closely, it doesn't look bad. It's almost like it can be a model out of a real Star Wars toys. See, it looks like a TIE fighter. It is. Alright, so anyway, Aiden, come. I'm gonna open it. Alright, so let's put this one aside.
Yeah.
And I'm a little bit curious. It's been a long time since I held an original
I
Lego.
was a little kid. I just opened that.
So I'm just gonna open it. Yeah, he forced some. You look at this. It was already broken. He's trying to open it. I said, wait for it.
Someone
For us to
open.
unbox it.
Someone
Who gave that
open.
to you? Who gave that to you?
Did it show you?
And yeah, it is sponsored by his tita, his aunt, Auntie Shirley.
I see a manual.
What? What manual? It's a manual.
It's a manual.
So we got here, of course, the manual on how to build it. All right.
Yeah.
And we have the pieces. I guess it's a small one.
Daddy.
How the
Daddy. Look.
box looks like. What's that?
Oh, this
Where's
one.
Mandy? Yeah. Oh, I forgot. This is the Mandalorian. So it's supposed to be the Mandalorian. I don't know if you had watched the series from Disney,
Yeah.
the Mandalorian, and I think this is his spaceship. So we're gonna try to build that one today.
Yeah. It's gonna be a long time.
Yeah, I know, but we're gonna try to build it as fast as we can. So we're not
Daddy,
gonna
I
be
see a jetpack.
filming from
Daddy,
the
I see a helmet.
the whole
I see a
process.
helmet.
Yeah. That's the helmet of the Mandalorian.
Yeah.
We're gonna open it. So we're gonna start building it, and as usual, we're not gonna be able to film everything. This kid is just always interrupting what I'm trying to say. All right, so let's open the plastics.
I gotta open this. You open this.
Yeah, I
A
already
helmet.
What's that? What's that?
A helmet.
Hmm?
Boba Fett.
That's not Boba Fett. That's Mandalorian. That's Mandalorian. They are.
Let's open this one.
I think Boba Fett is not even a Mandalorian.
No, only Boba Fett.
No, he obtained the armor from somewhere else, but it's not a Mandalorian.
Look. He changed his helmet to this
Where's the
one.
antenna?
I don't know. No one's in
There's
it.
no antenna. Okay.
Just only this helmet.
All right. So first up is to
I see
build the
Mandalorian.
Mandalorian. So we get here. Looking for the body. There's the torso. Where's
Where's
the
the head? I see a gun.
Where's the head? There's no head. That's his rocket ship. The rocket pack. Here's the legs. Where's the head?
I don't know.
I'm missing the head. Oh, here we go.
No,
There's no face in it.
I guess only black.
Well, yeah, it makes sense because a Mandalorian never take off.
is
They don't
helmet.
take their helmets off. Never,
Yeah.
because that's the way.
Can you show it to me, please?
Helmet.
So apparently we didn't really
I
see his face, but if you actually watch the series of the Mandalorians,
I just see a gun.
he actually took off his helmet and you saw his face. And the actor was, I can't remember his name, but
Mandalorian.
I can't remember his name.
It's called Mandalorian.
All right, okay, you build Mandy. I will build the spaceship. Okay, so first off is step one. Let's get this piece up. So that's the one.
I'm done with
Okay.
Mandalorian.
And second, let's put down the manual so it will be easy for us to build it.
I'm finished.
All right, play with it for a while so you don't bother me. What's the next piece? Ah, here we go. So I think we're building the
Like this.
the seat portion of the ship. Okay, supposed to be another one, which is this one.
Daddy, there's a cockpit right
Okay.
here. It stands here.
Yeah, and then this one, I suppose.
Daddy, look at this.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, it's supposed to be the one that has the thing on the back. This one?
No.
It is. No?
Yeah.
No, this one.
Yeah, it's right.
So, yeah. Step 4.
dark.
It's gonna be one of those
Daddy,
again.
it's dark because you can't see his face because it's dark.
It's not dark. It's because he doesn't have
Face.
a face, or you will not be. You're not supposed to know his identity.
Yeah, he just wears a helmet and the face is gone. And he just moves his helmet and he just turns to Boba Fett.
I'm missing a piece already. Where's that?
Remember?
What? What's with Boba Fett?
Oh, he just flies a jetpack and he got a gun. And he look like he's have a antenna.
What? He's got a what?
Antenna.
An antenna.
Yeah, he got an antenna because he's disguising a Boba Fett.
Did you take a piece here?
No.
It looks like I'm missing one. I need another one like this. How do I
I
find it?
found it.
Oh, yeah, I found it. No. Yes.
I found it.
But what's the next piece?
I don't know.
This black. This one. I suppose put it here. Yeah. Correct. And this one. Yeah. And give me that. It's supposed to go here. Inside. There we go.
I got
Right. So just
that.
what's next? This one. All right.
Yeah,
So I think I'm trying to figure
Look at
out
Boba
if
Fett.
there's really a difference
Look at this.
between this pieces and the original ones. I guess there's a big difference. It's like this one are like
Remember, I just watched this.
pieces are like hard and brittle, and these ones are like.
Boba Fett do this. Boba Fett.
How do I
Where?
explain it? The pieces are like more. It's not flexible, but it's kind of you can assemble it more easily, but it's stuck together. All the pieces are sticking quite better than the other than this one. So I don't know. Maybe it's just